Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Michelle, and we're gonna get right into it today. Today's video will be showcasing this beautiful 20-inch natural color Jerry curly wig that I received. The curls are popping, the hair is gorgeous. I deep conditioned her after washing with shampoo.
Spending all this time trying to get you out my mind. Oh, it feels so good to take you off the pedestal. I don't know what I was thinking.
Unfortunately, I had already cut the lace and added some lace tint before I'm showing you this, but I just wanted to be thorough and show you the cap construction. As you can see, it's a 13x4 lace front wig. This wig does come with the option of curly baby hairs, along with items I received in this box like a melting lace band and some wig caps. I got a satin storage bag to put my wig in for safekeeping. I also received this really cute travel makeup bag, and I like the feature of it being clear on the top so you can see all your pins and potions and things that you need that you readily grab a hold of. So before I installed this wig, I went ahead and plopped her on my head to make sure that everything was everything and it lined up and it fit perfectly, and just to give me a little guidance as to where I was gonna cut.
I've got my trusty 800 years old, I don't even know. So I'm gonna go ahead and adhere this wig. Let me get some clickle with this bowl hold again. Like I said before, this stuff is really very efficient. Okay, I clipped the hair out of the way. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna apply the Bold Hold Liquid Gold Reloaded to the perimeter of my hairline, making sure not to get any on my hairline. And I'm gonna use some alcohol to wipe all this excess makeup off, because I was having a time today. But you know what? I have fallen in love with YouTubers who are 40 plus, 50 plus. You wanna learn about some anti-aging secrets? They convinced me, so I did this whole haul. I'm really big into skincare, and I like Korean skincare. So I'm gonna do a video on that coming up, but why not start before all the wrinkles come? And also, because I'm gonna work in sections to apply the wig, I'm gonna go ahead and cut.
So that's impressive, how much I'm missing.
That way when I pull it down, I can take my time and work in sections.
That's impressive, how much I'm missing. Feelings in my heart.
Working in smaller sections, you can pay closer attention. There's no need to rush. Take your time. So before I put the melting band on, I'm gonna attempt to take some of these baby hairs out. I don't know, it might be going right back. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. I would put this melting band on for about 15 minutes and then go ahead and resume styling. Totally cool, totally hair Barbie.
Loving how you wind up for me. Tonight is all on me. Mash up the place for me. Yeah. She just wanna highlight. Ooh, that body talk to me. I need a taste, baby. Loving the way you move around me. No more delay. No, you can wait to shut it down. Won't you show me how you work it? I can't find no flaws, you perfect. Cause every time that you come around my way, I keep falling again. I keep falling again. And every time that you come across my mind, I keep falling again. I keep falling again. In love. that you move. Wanna connect with you like Bluetooth. No touching, that's my boo-boo. Your love, they do me voodoo. She's my new boo. I'm watching her like YouTube. I wanna ride like choo-choo. Your love, they do me cuckoo. Hey, yeah. Loving the way. Loving the way. Move around me. The body don't wait. The body don't wait to shut it down. Won't you show me how you
Oh, looky here. Looky here, guys. That's really don't stop. Okay, I'm stopping. I'm not doing nothing else. Okay, so now I'm gonna fluff up these edges. I don't like hard edges.
falling big in love?
Now I'm gonna spritz a bit of my go-to gloss, but even though this hair already has enough luster, it doesn't need any more, but so I'm gonna go in with this even tinted lace powder, and we're gonna see. Let me get a brush. I've sacrificed this eyeshadow brush, so let me show you the applicator. I got this in the color light warm brown. Okay, so it look like that, and you dip in, because the powder is actually in here and it's solid. Bottoms up. Ooh, that's not bad.
Special and she reckless. Baby, you're my bestest friend. Yeah, she my bestie. My love for you is endless. Nobody else can end it. And when I get the money back, then baby girl, you can spend it.
Okay, I don't like this stuff. But you know what? The applicator might be a little bit too big, so I'm gonna go in here like this. Boom, baby. Cover them knots.
Always on top, alright. Oh yeah, I wanna know it tonight. I wanna be the one to surprise you.
I'm feeling hope. See, it's already building up. It's already poofing. I got that good definition. So my 20 inches done shrunk up because I used that mousse and I used my diffuser. And I'm trying to get it to stay got. And I don't want to mess it up anymore, so I'm gonna leave it alone. If you made it this far, thank you so much for sticking around. Thank you for watching my channel. All the information about this gorgeous units. Look at them baby hairs, girl. I finally did it. It's gonna be in the description box below. I'll talk to you later. Bye.
Yeah. Stepping in the spot like she own it. Looking like the world is your runway. She can set it off like a gunplay. Oh my. Yeah. Talk of the city with that body. Always getting praised like it's Sunday. She said, baby, what you gonna do by